79 divided by 7 using the area model. Let's set up our place values, put our 7 on the outside, our 79 on the inside, and use your 7 times tables. We're also going to write out our steps. Does McDonald's sell real cheese? First, let's start off with our first step, divide. We're going to divide in the tens place. What's the closest we can get to 7 without going over? That's skip counting one time. But the 1 is really worth 10, so let's multiply. 10 times 7 is 70. What's our next step? Subtract. 79 minus 70 would be 9. Let's go ahead and repeat back to division. So we're going to divide in the ones place. What's the closest we can get to 9 without going over? Yep, that's only skip counting one time. 1 times 7 gives us 7. Then let's subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then we would repeat, but there's no boxes left to repeat into, so that means we go on to our last step of check. Is 2 smaller than 7? Yep, so that's our remainder. Then I'll find my answer by looking at the place values right here and putting this into standard form. That would be 11 with a remainder of 2.